Hello everyone, Michael back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add branching to your Microsoft form. Feel free to subscribe if you enjoy videos about Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, SharePoint Teams, and Microsoft Forms because I'll be putting a lot more videos in those areas. So let's get into the video. You want to learn how to do some branching on your forms. So branching is a good way to navigate between questions. So let's say this question 1, if I didn't need question 2, I can just branch this question to question 3 based on the answer. So it pretty much depends what type of answers you want to go to. So in my case, I want to have it to where if the user selects laptop, it goes to an additional details question. Same with phone. It goes to an additional question that goes into more detail about what laptop, which phone they want. So we're just going to go ahead and set that up and show you how to add branching. So let me go ahead and insert a new question. And this is going to be for if laptop is selected. I want to add a new choice. So what type of laptop would you prefer? And we'll just have two laptops here. We'll just have a Windows laptop, a Mac desktop, and then we'll do a Mac laptop. So if the user selects in question 1 laptop, I want it to direct to this question. But if the user selects phone in the first one, I want it to direct to another question. Let's go ahead and do another choice field. So which phone would you prefer? So let's just go ahead and add a couple phone options. We'll do the iPhone. We'll just do a couple iPhones. And we'll do a Windows phone. I don't even think they make those anymore, but just for the sake of questions. And then we'll do Windows phone, and then we'll do an Android. All right, so let's go ahead and add branching for this question. So this question is required. I want this question required and that question required based on what the user selects. So let's go ahead and add branching. Let's go and take it to another screen. And in this screen, we have it to where what device are you questioning for? So for laptop, it goes on to the next. So it goes on to this question, which is what we want. But we're just going to go ahead and select which type of laptop do you want, just so it makes it easier to view. And if they select phone, we want to go ahead and branch to question number 3 because we don't want question number 2 to show. We just want to go from 1 to 3. And for this, we want to go 1 to 2. And then we also want to add branching on this one. So if the user selects any of these questions, I want to go to question 4 because I want to skip over question 3. That's because we don't need the answer for this question, and it's not even required if the user wants a laptop. So for these branches, we want to go to question 4. So if it goes from user selects laptop, it goes to question 2, which is right down here. And then whatever answer they select, it goes straight to question 4 because we don't need question 3. If they select a phone, it goes straight to question 3. And that's fine for if they select anything. We just want to go to next because it skips over the laptop portion since it's number 3. Let's go ahead and go into preview. So which device are you requesting? If I choose laptop, we now have question 2. Which type of laptop do you prefer? Doesn't matter which I select. It just goes straight to when do you need the device by, and what is your department, any other details. So let's go ahead and select phone and see what type of question it gives us. So which device are you requesting? We have phone. And which type of phone do you prefer? So we got rid of the laptop question, add in the phone question. Then I need iPhone 12. I need to buy the 25th, IT, any other details. So branching is useful if you have a bunch of questions with a bunch of other detailed questions based on questions answers. It's easy to navigate and branch around. So depending on your form, you might use branching, you might not, but if you do, this is just how you would navigate around. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions about forms, feel free to leave them in the comments because I use your questions for video ideas. And I will catch you in the next video.